Hi guys, I'm Michelle from The Recipe Bandit, and today we're going to be making sausage and spinach spaghetti pie. This is a great weeknight meal for when you want something quick and easy, something really filling, like something comfort foody, without needing too much time. This is also a little bit on the healthier side because we're going to throw in some veggies and nobody's even going to notice. But it's a delicious way to serve pasta without actually just making spaghetti. Doesn't take a lot of ingredients, as you can see here. This is everything we're going to need. So let's go ahead and talk about them. So we have some spaghetti. I haven't cooked it yet. We're going to get to that in a minute. You're going to need 8 ounces of spaghetti, or enough spaghetti to feed 2 to 4 people. We have some sweet Italian sausages. Now, you can buy Italian sausage that's not in the casings, it's not sausages, but it seems to be a little harder to find. So I pick up these just pre-made sausages. We're going to take the casings off, break up the meat, and fry it in a pan. It's going to work just the same. And I got them on sale for really cheap, so saving money. We also have some mozzarella cheese, some shredded mozzarella here. We have some fresh spinach. This recipe calls for about a cup of spinach, and so if you've been here before, you know to me, a cup is a handful. So a handful of fresh spinach. We have a medium onion that we've chopped up. We have a couple of Roma tomatoes here that we are going to chop up. We have a couple eggs and some salt and pepper, and that's all there is to it. This is a very easy recipe. Really, we're just going to boil some spaghetti, toss it in some eggs, fry up some Italian sausage, mix everything together and bake it in the oven. It's easy, it's delicious, it's 30 minutes. Let's do it. So in preparation, I have started my water boiling with my spaghetti, generously salted water. This says 11 minutes. So we're doing 11 minutes, just what it says on the box, to get it to al dente. We have chopped up our Roma tomatoes. I'm just going to put them in a little bowl. Spinach, onion, tomatoes, already. We're going to set them aside because they're going to go into the skillet after we do the sausages. So let's go ahead and talk about what we have to do with the sausages. We are going to take the sausages out of the package. And if you have bought sausage that doesn't have casings, that is just Italian sausage in a package, that is not actual sausages, then you don't have to do this step. But if you have sausages, we want to take off these little casings that they're wrapped in. Make it easier on yourself. Cut it all the way first. Take the sausage right out. Break it up into the frying pan. And throw away those casings. So we're going to get this to the stovetop, and over medium-high heat, we're going to brown it. All right, we have our pasta cooking here. And we've put our sausage in the skillet. Now, after about 5 minutes, your meat will be slightly browned, it'll be cooked through, and now it's time to go ahead and add our spinach, our tomatoes, and our onion. And you're going to give this a stir, and you're going to let this mixture cook for about 5 more minutes. It's a good time now to preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And because once we get this part done, the rest of it is all very quick, and everything's going to be ready to go into the oven sooner than you think. You want to give it a stir occasionally. And you're just looking to have the onions kind of soften up and the spinach cook down and bring everything together. You don't have to worry about everything being cooked all the way through because it is going to bake in the oven, and anything that's only partially done will become all the way done. Okay, this is looking like we can go ahead and turn off the heat. Everything is kind of cooked down and ready to get tossed with our pasta. Our pasta has cooked, our sausage mixture is cooked, and we are ready to assemble our sausage and spinach spaghetti pie. The first thing we're going to do is get a pie plate. We are going to spray the pie plate lightly with cooking spray, and we'll set it aside because everything is going into here. Your oven should be preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you'll want a large bowl, and now we're going to take our 2 eggs and break them into the bowl. And using a little whisk, you're going to want to break the eggs and just lightly beat them. So now we're going to take our cooked, drained pasta, we're going to add it to the beaten eggs, and we're going to just toss it so that all of that pasta gets coated in our lightly beaten eggs. And the point of doing this is so that when we bake this up, it becomes one. It'll stick together. It's not going to all fall apart when you cut it. It's going to be perfect. All right, now once this is done, we're going to go ahead and add all of that beautiful sausage mixture that we made with the onions and the spinach and the Roma tomatoes. We're going to add that all right into the bowl as well. Now we're just about finished. We're going to add our kosher salt and pepper that we have. And we are going to add 1 cup of our shredded mozzarella cheese. We are going to keep a half a cup to put over the top just before we bake it. So we're going to go ahead and add in pretty much 2/3 of our cheese. All right, now we're going to mix this all together and get it into this pie plate. You're just trying to get kind of everything incorporated. So the best tools for this, I often start out with a spoon. Sometimes I'll move over to the pasta lifter here so that I can just really get it in there. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's all going to bake together. That cheese and the egg is all really going to help it become one beautiful and delicious spinach and sausage pie. And now the whole mixture we're going to transfer right into our prepared pie plate that we sprayed with the cooking spray. Just kind of spreading everything out evenly, kind of pat it down, make it all one layer, one level, one even cook. I'm going to use this and scrape off all of the rest of that good stuff that we would otherwise lose. We're going to take the last little bit. That was my oven. It is ready too. The last little bit of our shredded cheese we're going to put right on top. And then this is going to go in the oven for 20 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is before we cook it. Can't wait to show you guys after we cook it. So it's going to go into the oven right now for 20 minutes. Our sausage and spinach pie is out of the oven. Look at how good that is. Golden brown on top, baked, set, perfect. It's got packed full of spinach and tomatoes and onions and pasta and all that good stuff. Cheese melted right in there. It's really tasty, and the leftovers are delicious too. The recipe for the sausage and spinach spaghetti pie is on our website at therecipebandit.com. It will also be down in the description. Make it easy for you guys to get. If you like what we're doing here, please come back and see us again. Please like and subscribe and click that little notification button so that you know when we put out new videos. We try to put them out at least every Wednesday. This is one of those easy recipes with stuff you have in your house. Delicious recipes with everyday ingredients, and that's what we're trying to do. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Hope to see you again soon.